Today we're taking a close-up look at one of the most colorful shrubs you can grow, Jazz Hands Variegated Fringe flower. Just look at those leaves. They're pink, cream, and green all at the same time. Jazz Hands Variegated is part of the Loropetalum family, a group of plants that originally comes from China, Japan, and Southeast Asia. People have grown Loropetalum for hundreds of years because they're tough, beautiful, and full of color. The Jazz Hands varieties were created to give gardeners even brighter foliage and more unique patterns. So when you plant one, you're growing a little piece of Asian garden history with a modern twist. This plant grows best in USDA zones 7 through 11, which means it loves warm weather. If you live in the South, this shrub feels right at home. It can handle mild winters, hot summers, and everything in between. One of the coolest things about Jazz Hands Variegated is how well it handles heat. Even when summer's sun is blazing, the leaves stay bright and colorful. Some plants fade or wilt in high temperatures, but this one keeps showing off. Just make sure it has enough water during long, dry spells. So how do you grow it? It's super easy. It loves full sun to part shade. More sun equals brighter colors. Keep the soil evenly moist, especially when it's young. Plant it in well-draining soil so the roots don't stay soggy. It naturally grows into a neat, rounded shrub. You can trim it lightly if you want, but it usually keeps a nice shape on its own. And you want to give it room to grow, about 4 to 5 feet wide when it matures. If you give it a sunny spot and regular water, it will reward you with cool colors all year long. And here's some fun things you might not know. The leaves change color throughout the year, sometimes brighter pink, sometimes deeper green. It produces tiny ribbon-like flowers that look like little fireworks. So that's Jazz Hands Variegated up close, a bright, bold shrub that's easy to grow, fun to watch, and perfect for adding color to your yard. If you love plants that stand out and make your garden feel alive, this one is definitely worth rescuing and planting. Thank you all so much for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. I hope y'all are having an amazing day, and I will of course talk to you in the next video. Bye for now, everyone.